Hello, Gracie. This is a special birthday message for Grace Robinson. Happy. We're all working as a team. Day. Okay, now we have a special treat. You ready? Special girl today. Okay, you're 4 years old, so we have 4 muffins with a candle.
Everybody.
Here, get in it, Sophie.
Sophie, come over here.
There you go. Come on in the middle. Watch your hair.
Yeah, no fires, guys.
Can you get in it, Sophie? Scoot in. Scoot in, baby. Keep scooting. Okay, now hold up your candle. Can everybody get their candles to see? Ready, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gracie. Happy birthday to you. Ready, 2, 3, blow out the candles. Our wish is that you had a great day. We love you. Mwah.